यस माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, मेरे बच्चों, क्या हाल है आप लोगों के। नाउ टुडे अगेन वी आर हियर टू सी सम मोर न्यू टॉपिक of our chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. Today's learning objective that we are going to learn, today's learning objectives that we are going to learn here, that is recombination of spectrum colors, recombination of spectrum colors, spectrum colors. For that I am taking here, Newton was first to see this thing first seen by a Newton, first to obtain visible spectrum of sunlight. The Newton, on passing the sunlight through a glass prism, now he tried to split further the colors of sunlight using similar glass prism again, and then he could not get any more colors. Then Newton do an experiment like this. When a white light is passed from this cardboard, and here a one prism is there, A, B and C. Here the white light is passed, and then we are getting here a 7 different colors. Red color and violet color is here. Then we take an inverted here, the dispersion is going on, and now here and another prism, A dash, B dash and C dash. Put it like this. These rays are coming here, red color, violet color, from here to there, then they recombine, or we are getting an image on this screen. Here is a red color, here is a violet color, here is called a recombination. Now what is going on? Again white light is coming on the screen, again the white light is coming on the screen. My dear children, Newton then passed the beam of sunlight dispersed by this glass prism A, B and C on and another identical glass prism A dash, B dash, C dash, and the prism was held alongside the first prism A, B, C, alongside. इसको इस प्रकार से रखा हुआ उल्टा, that is called alongside. He found a beam of white light emerging from the other face of a prism A dash, B dash and C dash. Again we are getting here the ABC is placed on its base BC, whereas the second prism A dash, B dash, C dash is placed on the vertex A dash. ऐसा रखा हुआ है. Both are in opposite. Okay, so its refracting surface are in opposite direction to the refracting surface of first prism. Okay, so Newton explained the observation by saying that the first prism disperses white light into 7 colors. First prism disperses the white light into the 7 colors, as you can see here. The second prism receives the 7 colors. Yeah. Second prism क्या कर रहा है? Receives the 7 colors and recombines from it in the original white colors. This happens because the angular dispersion produced by the second prism here, angular dispersion produced by the second prism is equal and opposite to the angular dispersion produced by the first prism. Okay? So this observation gave Newton the idea that sunlight is made up of the 7 colors. This is called recombination of colors. Then, my dear children, what is rainbow? Another article that we are going to learn here. What is rainbow? What do you mean by rainbow here? The rainbow is the best example of dispersion of sunlight in nature. Dispersion of sunlight in nature. We can see in a rainy season. Okay? Now, rainbow occurs in the form of concentric colored circular arc like this in the sky. When the sun shines on the raindrops, जब ये जो बारिश की बूंदों पर सूर्य की रोशनी गिरती है, when the sun shines on the raindrops during or after a shower, the essential condition for observing a rainbow, the essential condition for observing a rainbow, write down. The essential condition for observing a rainbow is that observer must stand here. The observer must stand with his back towards the sun. With his back towards the sun. Suppose here is a sun, so we can say, what is that? Rainbow is that observer must stand with his back. जो बैक जो होता है इट इज टुवर्ड्स द सन. सन इधर से आ रहा है, यू खड़े होंगे तो हमारे को ये रेनबो दिखाई देगा यहाँ पर. दिस इज द रेनबो हियर. ड्यूरिंग और आफ्टर अ शावर a large number of small droplets, मैं बना रहा हूं यहाँ पर ये फिगर, just you see the figure here, rains from the sun are falling from here. Here is the rains from the sun or rays from the sun, suppose falling on the raindrop. Here it go inside here in this manner. Here TIR, total internal reflection. The light is coming in this manner. Similarly here, a light goes here, then come out here. Here we are getting, this is the red color, here is the violet color. Here is that. An observer is here. This is the observer. Rays from the sun falling on the raindrops. These are the raindrops. Here. Okay? So during or after a shower, a large amount of small water drop is still in the air. That is this. Remain suspended in the air, and they act like a small prism. These small droplets act like a small prism. Okay? Now, when the sunlight falling on the droplets refracted and dispersed on passing through them, यहाँ पर refracted होगा, उसको बोलेंगे total internal reflection. It then suffers total internal reflection, and finally the refracted by the droplets to reach the observer eye. This is called here a primary rainbow. Red color is on the outside of the arc. Red color, जैसे ये समझ लो आगे. Red color is on the outside of the arc and blue color here is on the inner side of the arc. This is called primary rainbow. In a special condition, we can say a phantom rainbow may also be seen. एक हल्का सा और दिखाई देता है इसी के ऊपर, वो कहलाएगा सेकेंडरी रेनबो. दैट इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी रेनबो. ओके, नाउ देन one more thing we are going to see, what do you mean by atmospheric refraction? What is the meaning? What do you mean by atmospheric refraction that we are going to see? What is this? Atmospheric refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light. It is the phenomenon of bending of light. It is a phenomenon of bending of light on passing through the earth atmosphere. On passing through the earth atmosphere. Here, as we move above the surface of the earth, as we move, say like this, as we move above the surface of the earth, density of air goes on decreasing. Density of air goes on decreasing. The upper layer of the earth atmosphere, the upper layer of earth atmosphere are rare, rarer compared to that lower layer of the earth atmosphere. Further, the local conditions like temperature also affect the optical density of the earth atmosphere. Temperature भी इसको change कर देता है earth atmosphere. So light coming from the stars and entering into the earth atmosphere. Light coming from the stars entering into the earth atmosphere passes from rarer to the denser medium. Passes from rarer to the denser medium, so it suffers multiple refraction before reaching the surface of the earth. Before reaching the surface of the earth, that's why it is called atmospheric refraction. Okay, some of the phenomena we are going to discuss based on this atmospheric refraction and total internal reflection of light, that we are going to discuss right now. Yes. So now we are going to see some phenomenon based on this atmospheric refraction are stars seems higher than actually are. Stars seems higher than actually are. What are the reason here? My dear children, star seems higher than actually are. Then they actually are. Then they actually are. Now, let us, I am going to explain. See, my dear children, stars are the independent source of light. Stars are the independent source of light. Suppose this is the star here. It is very far away from the earth. Here it is our earth. This is earth. Light from a star travels first in vacuum and then enters into the earth atmosphere. Then enters into the earth atmosphere. The density of air increases towards the surface of the earth. जैसे जैसे वो हमारे पास आएगी light, density of earth increases. Density of air increases, towards the earth. The light from the stars travel from rarer to the denser medium. Here in this manner. In this manner, every time that will bend towards the normal. Here. The optical density of air increases towards the surface of the earth. When it comes from star rarer to the denser medium, bending every time towards the normal. Bending every time towards the normal on producing the final refracted ray backward. On producing final refracted ray backward like this. As you can see in this figure, then the apparent star position here, say that is B. Here it is A. The apparent star position P is higher than the actual star position that is at A. Is it clear? This phenomenon is called atmospheric refraction. Then advanced sunrise, and delayed sunset. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The sun appears to rise above the origin. The sun appears to rise above the origin before 2 minutes. Actually is above origin. This is called advanced sunrise. उसको हम क्या कहेंगे बच्चों? Advanced sunrise. The sun appears above origin 2 minutes before it actually. This is called advanced sunrise, or this can be explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. Let us see with the figure. Now, suppose, my dear children, this is Earth, and here it is our atmosphere. This is our atmosphere. This is Earth, this is atmosphere, and this is the position of our origin. Origin here. Right? Now, when the rising sun, say here, the sun appears to rise above origin 2 minutes before. The light is coming from here, rising sun. This is the rising sun. The light is coming here in this manner and get reflected here. Here is the observer eye. It is get reflected like this. When it produced back, this is the apparent position of the sun. Draw this figure, then I am explaining. What is here? As we move above the surface of the earth, जैसे जैसे हम above the surface of the earth से ऊपर जाएंगे, what is going on? The density of air goes on decreasing. Density of air goes on decreasing. So light from the sun on entering the earth atmosphere passes from rarer to the denser medium. It passes from rarer to the denser medium, bending towards normal every time. The sun S, which is still below origin. This is the position of the sun, which is still below from the origin, appears to rise to S1, just above the origin. The difference in time involved 2 minutes. Here, the sun appears to rise 2 minutes earlier. Sun appears to rise 2 minutes earlier. While that, similarly, at the time of sunset, suppose here, this is our earth, this is our atmosphere, then what is going on here? Here the earth at the setting sun, say here. Here it is the position of setting sun. Here it is the position of rising sun. When the setting sun enters into the earth atmosphere like this. It will go refracted. Here is the eye. When it is going like this, then the refracted ray going back. This is the position, apparent position of S. This is S, S1, here is S and S2. This is origin. See here. In the second figure, this is our figure number 1. A. This is figure number B. Sun is below the origin here. This is setting sun. Draw the figure. Sun S, which had already gone just below the origin, appears to be just below the origin, but appears to be at S2 due to atmospheric refraction. Again, the difference in time involved is 2 minutes. तो 2 मिनट सुबह हो गए, 2 मिनट शाम को हो गए. 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the evening. The length of each day increases. The length of each day increases by 4 minutes. How much? 4 minutes. So length of each day increases by 4 minutes on account of atmospheric refraction. अगर मैं ये कह दूं, if Earth had no atmosphere, this effect would not occur. अगर atmosphere नहीं होगा, that effect do not occur. Then the sun appears oval at sunrise and sunset. Another application, that is sun appears oval at sunrise and sunset. Yes, how it is? But appears circular at noon. दिन में बिल्कुल circular दिखाई देगा. Why? But circular at noon. Here. This can be explained on the basis of our physical phenomenon, that is atmospheric refraction. Here, see that. At sunrise and sunset, the sun is near the origin. Near the origin. Or we can say below the origin. The rays of light from the upper part here and the lower part of the periphery of the sun, यहाँ से भी आ रही है और यहाँ से भी आ रही है, bend unequally on traveling through earth atmosphere. ऊपर पार्ट से भी आ रही है, लोअर पार्ट से भी आ रही है, तो they will bend unequally. That is why the sun appears oval or flattened. The sun appears oval or flattened. We can say at the time of sunrise and sunset. At the time of noon, the sun is at the overhead, like this here. Light enters directly to the atmosphere. At the time of sunrise, at noon the sun is at overhead. The rays of light from the sun enters earth atmosphere normally. Direct आती है हमारे पास light. So in that case, they suffer no refraction on bending, on passing through the earth atmosphere. That's why it looks circular. Then one more case we can take: star twinkle but planet do not. Star twinkle but planet do not. Planet due to its bigger size, but star is twinkling. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That we know very well this poem. So my dear children, star twinkle at night, star twinkle at night, because the starlight reaching our eyes, starlight reaching our eyes increases or decreases continuously. So due to atmospheric refraction, when the starlight reaching our eyes, say this is the star reaching our eyes, reaching our eye increases, at that time star looks bright. And when the starlight reaching our eye decreases, जब increase होगा bright, जब decrease होगा starlight decreases, then star looks dim. So I can say एक बार bright हो रहा है, एक बार dim हो रहा है. So what I can say, star go on becoming bright and dim again and again. कम ज्यादा उसकी वजह से वो चमकता है. Dim again and again. So we can say the twinkling of star at night. Light from the star first travel in vacuum. Light from the star travel in vacuum. Then earth into the earth atmosphere. So density of air increases towards the surface of the earth. So light from the stars travel from rarer to the denser medium, rarer to the denser medium, bending every time towards normal. So it is the region of twinkling of star. On the contrary, planets do not twinkle due to bigger than star, and planets are close to the earth compared to the star. planets जो होते हैं वो हमारे पास में ज्यादा होते हैं, स्टार दूर होते हैं और साइज बड़ी होती है प्लेनेट की. तो प्लेनेट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड टू बी मेड अप ऑफ a number of point sources of light. So due to the atmospheric refraction, when some of the point sources looks brighter, then others appears dimmer. So on the whole, overall brightness of the planet remains the same due to its bigger size, so it cannot twinkle. Okay, bye.